Let me get my, I don't think I have any, or I have a little bit of honey. So it's two kind of scrubs I'm going to make today. I am going to make a sugar scrub.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is the first clean with me video that I'm doing. So let's just get right into the video because I really don't like cleaning out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, hit that notification bell. You'll know when I'm uploading new videos few times a week. Sometimes I do it every day. And for my returning subscribers, big hug, love for you guys. Love. Thank you so much, guys. Let's grow this channel, okay? So I am just getting right into it. Dusting all over. I'm in the room watching my favorite series. So this is what I do. I just dust off and stuff, especially when you run to the store or something. This is what I do. And I say it's dirty. Some of these things is new and you just change it off. And when I finish that, I almost throw on me. I have my sweeper and I just give it a little mopping. When your place clean. What I love about here, it's small, it's just for two people. And as you can see, this is a Caribbean. And I love to use this again. It smells so good. Yeah, I love it. Just put two and then I use my oxyclean, which is almost just a little. Power off the machine and that's it. I have to bring it a little closer because right now I just want. So I'm going to grab all my stuff. I have my coffee here that I bought so long. I wonder if I can recognize it. My coffee and my coconut oils. I got my almond oils. I put some grapeseed oil and some flaxseed oil. I put like 2/3 of sugar and 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil, and I sprinkle some lemon essential oil. It's so good. I don't know if you get the kind of sugar I'm using. if you got it. Granulated sugar, the fine one. I don't know if I want to put any flaxseed 1 minute ago. Let me just mix this. So you see I'm mixing it together. One thing I forgot. So I'm going to put some Japanese hibiscus in it and some ylang ylang. These things tighten your skin as well, these oils. So you just put a few drops in it. I put like 10 drops of that. Tighten your skin. You don't want the skin to be tight. I want it. One more. That tighten your skin. Yang and hibiscus, Japanese hibiscus. And I got my sesame oil. I'm just going to put like eyeball in this one, just a little. You see? And my avocado oil. These oils are good for your hair also, but I put them in my scrub because I like how my skin feels. You need to listen to your body. Sometimes you have oils what I use don't agree with my skin get dry and stuff. But these oils make my skin smooth and stuff. And plus you have to brush your skin as well. Dry brush or wet. I use it in the shower. I used to use it without the shower, but now I'm using it in the shower. So all these things is in, and that's it. And you just stir it around. This is the consistency. I need some more lemon because I love the smell of the lemon. Lemon and the turmeric just help smoothen out that patchy, if you have any patch on the skin, or some people have patchy skin. And acne and stuff is good for that. So you see this consistency? I don't know if you could see it. Oh yeah. This is what I like. You know? And I put it into the shower and I just scrub my skin with it. Okay? And as I said, the sugar will melt a little because it's all these oils I put. If you wanted that kind of grainy, like I would just put a little more sugar. You know? It wouldn't do anything to your skin. So all these oils here that I put, they have their benefit. You know? Wow, this is so nice. This here boils pig bottles because this boils. So this will go into here. And it smells so good. Bottles to put them in, but I don't know where they went. I really don't know where they went. I need to get some more bottles and make them look better. Put a little bow around it. Guys, and this scrub will last me like 1 week. Yeah. It smells so good, but you smell the turmeric more, and it's okay. That's okay. Okay, close up this now. This is my sugar scrub, and I'm going to make my coffee scrub now. As you can see, I want wanted to do this for the longest while, but I had to wait for my stuff to finish. Everything is, my coffee scrub is for my legs. Because I have some cellulites on my legs. I rub it all over my body sometimes. You know? And I get this at the dollar store. They're not expensive coffee. Right? And I eyeball it in the same way. You don't need to make a lot of this. Coconut oil. This one just making a little different. Just putting coconut oil in here. I get my coconut oil in here. And I put a little honey in this. This one, I don't put this on my face because this one is a little more coarse. I really don't want that coarseness on my face to break up, to break my skin open. Just use coconut oil on that. Just a little coconut oil. You see, I am doing laundry. I clean. I just, you know, you see. Oh my God, the bowl is so, yeah. I just get it a little soft, a little almond. So, well, next time I'll tell you all the properties and all the benefits they have. I'll go up on Google and have everything there. But today it's just not that deep. And I have my sesame oil. Always good to put sesame oil. Sesame oil is tight in your skin. Skin tight. Avocado oil. You see? I'm obsessed. I'm doing this for years. But I used to buy small bitty bottle and used to go Walmart and get them and the basic personality. Why did I do that? And that's the end, guys. And yes, guys, I'm coming close to the ending of my video. And if you like this cleaning with me and making my body scrubs and I'm doing laundry, clean with me. This is I'm vlogging the life I live. I hope you enjoy everything. And guys, I'm only going to get better. And say hello to darling. She have been speaking to me for the longest while, not to use harsh chemical, and now I'm listening to her. She's getting there. She's getting there. So, darling, next time I'll show off, darling. Right now it's not about darling, it's about cleaning with me. So guys, if anybody out there make you feel bad, just remember you are in charge of you. Don't let anybody come between your self-confidence and make you have a low esteem, self-esteem. You know, find out who you are. That's what I'm trying to tell you, because it was hard for me to find out who I am, being around the wrong set of people, telling you bad things, talking about your skin color. I went through it all, and that never make me fall and stay down. I cry and I get up and I try harder and harder, and I realize, you know what, this is how I am. If people don't like the way I speak, they could walk on by. Yeah, the notes might be right. It's okay. This is how you are. Be you. Don't let nobody change you, but be a better you. Don't make anybody feel bad. Don't laugh at people, because you don't know what people are going through. So don't laugh at nobody, but support and help somebody and motivate them. That's the most you could do. Uplift somebody. Don't need to drag people down, because being in this pandemic time, we don't need that. We need to come together as one. So let's just do that here on this YouTube channel, Everything and More. I'll be talking a little. Most of the times I don't really talk about positive things is because I'm a lack of confidence the way I speak. But I'm letting go of that. I'm being me. I'm just trying to watch the whole video, guys, and I thank you. And let's continue being positive. No nasty comments. Be nice about everything that you do. Get up in the morning, pray, and ask God to lead your way, and you will realize all your bad habits, you will change it day by day. I am telling you, because I had bitchy attitude. I am telling you. And if I could change, anybody could change. Believe that. Love you.